Top most essential tools for engineers. As an engineer, it's essential to be prepared for anything during the job. These are the tools that every engineer should be familiar with. 1. Eyeglasses or goggles. Engineers who do a lot of drilling, hammering, cutting, and sawing want to make sure to protect their eyes from flying shrapnel. If you don't want to damage your eyesight permanently, you should get yourself a decent pair of safety goggles. They come in a wide variety of styles but generally fall into the categories of full-face visors, safety glasses, goggles, or foam-lined/sealed safety glasses. The choice is up to you. 2. Pliers. Pliers are essential tools for any engineer to have in their kit. They are straightforward tools by design, and you'll want a selection of different types depending on the task at hand. They are ideally suited for manipulating materials, such as to bend or grip things, crimp wires, squeeze something or holding something small, sharp, hot, corrosive, or anything that your fingers are too weak, too big, or awkward to hold in place. 3. A flashlight. Flashlights are critical tools for engineers who need to see well in dark places. They come in many shapes, sizes, and powers, but an excellent hard-wearing metal-cased one is always a good investment. 4. A saw. A good saw is essential, whether you need to cut wood, stone, or anything else. They come in a variety of forms but generally fall into either the toothed blade or disc types. Saws tend to come in specific sizes and shapes and can either be hand-powered or motorized for maximum cutting power. A good old-fashioned hand saw is the most common and often the simplest to use. They are ideal for small tasks and wood cutting. 5. A rugged bag or toolbox. With all these awesome tools at your disposal, you are going to need something to carry them all in. Just make sure it's nice and rugged to take all the punishment it's bound to receive throughout its lifetime. Whether it's a bag or box is a completely personal choice and will depend on the number of tools you intend to carry around. 6. A jack for lifting. Depending on your needs, a good jack will go a long way. They are great for anyone who likes to tinker with their car but has many other applications, including hydraulic floor jacks for big objects, scissor jacks for lifting cars, bottle or piston jacks for lifting when a small footprint is needed. 7. A level. If you want to make sure something is perfectly level, or vertical for that matter, you'll want to get yourself a decent spirit level. Although there are a plethora of smartphone apps out there, you might not want to get your phone dirty or risk damaging it. A physical leveling tool is a valuable addition to your toolkit. 8. A good hammer. The hammer, an age-old tool with many uses. If you are going to be hitting something, breaking something, or assembling things with nails, a hammer is the way to go. It's always advisable to buy a good quality one as they will tend to last a lifetime and are usually an excellent investment. 9. A chisel. A chisel is a relatively simple yet indispensable tool. They consist of a chunk of metal, usually with a wooden, plastic, or rubber handle that has a beveled cutting edge designed for cutting and shaping stone, wood, or even metal. Chisels, like other tools, are ancient in origin and have stood the test of time. 10. WD-40. Does it move? Should it? Then you'll need some WD-40. This amazing all-purpose lubricant is great for getting rid of squeaks to loosening stubborn button bolts and many more applications too. 11. Good wrench. Wrenches are essential tools for any self-respecting engineer. They are vital for turning nuts and bolts and are incredibly useful for any task that needs you to get a grip on something. They include the following, but in reality, you'll want to have a collection of each, or get a decent set. 12. Jumper cables. Jumper or booster cables are great for those who like tinkering with cars. Better quality ones tend to be able to handle bigger batteries, offer high quality insulation, provide surge control, and are a good length.